Arsenal 5. This is not Chelsea. Nil. I've got 5 on it. Can we play you every week? I've got 5 on it. The blue £1 billion bottle jobs pack. Meatloaf Bowley. Egg barley. Cole Palmer FC. Fully mudded. Could have been 15. What a wonderful evening. What a wonderful Tuesday at the non-scary Emirates. Shout out Don. Big up Don. At least he stayed to the end. I think I had more people donate to my channel tonight than proper Chelsea left in the away end when it went to 90 minutes. Excuse me, boss. What team do you support? Can't you see? Chelsea shit. Oh, you shut up. Yeah, how to bury a football club inside 2 seasons. Bosh. Yeah. Pochettino at it again. Man like Kai Havertz. Man like Kai Havertz. What did I say? What did I say on the show with Johnny Minerals yesterday? With Saeed yesterday? What did I say? What did I say on the show with Rance today? I said he's scoring. And if he scores, I'm celebrating. And I'll say his name. And his name will be in my fan cam title, regardless of whether he's the best player or not. Yeah? And guess what? Here we are, guys. Somebody check on Johnny Minerals. Somebody check on Minerals. He's probably having a seizure as we speak. Make sure you sub to Minerals. Make sure you sub to Don's channel as well. 29, as he's formerly known, for one night only. We are calling him Kai Havertz. But if he wins me a title, oh my days. Oh my days. Don't forget the emergency meeting. The emergency meeting will be after the fan cams. Bosh. Have we unlocked? No, we have unlocked Kai Havertz. We've unlocked him, guys. We've unlocked him. But let's talk about the game. Let's go, guys. Let's smoke this blue £1 billion bottle job pack, the Pochettino pack. It's great to see, I can't lie. Because I've got a lot of mates that are Chelsea. And for 20 years, under Roman Abramovich, we were in the mud. Yeah. Big up Todd Bowley. The only disappointment tonight, was the fact that we didn't slap 7. Yeah, Wenger's 1000th game, we don't forget the 6-0. Yeah, the only disappointment is it weren't 7. It could have been 13, 14, 15, 16. It could have been fucking 29. Yeah, but we are there, guys. Yeah, Spurs are quaking in their lily white boots, bruv. They are rattled. But listen, let's talk about the game. Yeah, my baller, yeah? I told you all, this is the best baller at the football club. Trossard Dino. 3 goals behind Starboy. 3 goals behind Starboy this season. Yeah, my baller, you know. My baller. An elite level performance again. Declan Rice. Probably deserved the goal tonight. Benjamin Benidorm. Benjamin Tan. Yeah, if you Chelsea man want to claim that Mikhailo Mudryk, the Ukrainian Neymar, meant his goal at the bridge, cool. Well, guess what? Io di puta. Yeah, Ben White meant that as well. Nonchalant, a no-look shot. I love this game. This pack's going down well, I can't lie. Thomas Party. It's not Thomas Family Gathering anymore, guys. It's Thomas Party. Boom. What a performance. The centre-backs are a little bit shady at times. However, when you've got Nico Jackson, who couldn't finish a wank, bruv, up front, it's kind of calm. Yeah, what's worse is trim or his finishing. However, he should have been sent off, by the way. I'm glad he wasn't, because then they got left with no excuses. Oh, but we had 10 men. Yeah, good one. Cole Palmer FC. Cole Palmer FC. If Cole Palmer's got any minerals, is in the office right now at the bridge at Cobham, wherever it is, yeah, and is putting a transfer request in. He is way too good for that football club. Way too good. Way too good for that football club. Yeah, that game should have been out of sight after 20 minutes. Yeah, and ironically, Kai Havertz probably should have had 2 or 3 assists in that first 20 minutes. He should have laid a couple off. But his goal, or both of his goals, big up to you, mate. Big up to you. How many goals he scored? I don't know. Let me know in the chat how many goals he scored this season. We've unlocked him. Super Mick has got us 4 points clear. And guess what? Don't ever play him in midfield again. His link-up play tonight, by the way, yeah, was insane. Yeah, but let's talk on the best player on the pitch, by the way. Yeah, forget Saka, because I thought he was our worst player. Yeah, maybe that's because he was poor, and maybe because the rest of them were just light years clear. Maybe a bit of both. Yeah, but he weren't good. However, he did outlast Trossard. Not quite sure about that one. But there we go. There we go. But anyway, let's talk about the best player on the park tonight by a country mile, who had his best game in an Arsenal shirt. Martin Odegaard. Clearly watches my videos. Clearly watches my videos, guys. What a performance. That is his best performance in an Arsenal shirt. Yeah, from the first second of that game. Do you know what it reminded me of? You know when you were in school back in the day, if you're an older head like me, or if you're in school as you are now, or just left school, whatever, yeah, and you get the year 9s trying to play football with the year 11s and that, and you're just like, yeah, whatever, mate. Yeah, Chelsea with the year 9s, bruv. Yeah, Martin Odegaard, you're like, yeah, move. Yeah, I'm just going to do all these skills. I'm going to nutmeg you. I'm going to nutmeg you. I'm going to do scoops over the top. Yeah, I'm going to do no look. But, bruv, he was absolutely unplayable tonight. That's his best performance in an Arsenal shirt. Yeah, and let's have it right here. Him and Trossard against Villa, against Bayern, and against Chelsea tonight, yeah, and probably against Wolves, yeah, have been our best players. They're purring. Yeah, Trossard. My baller. Put some respect on this geezer's name. This guy has only finished, yeah, a whole 90 minutes 5 times this season, yeah, and he is what? 4 goals behind Star Boy. And he takes all the pens and plays every minute of every game pretty much. Yeah. Best player at the football club. Martin Odegaard's in for a shout as well. Yeah. Because when the chips have been down recently, and they have been down, and let's not pretend this weren't a big game tonight. Yeah. No matter how crap they are, yeah, and they are crap, how to bury a football club in 2 seasons. We had to go out there and deliver to put the pressure on Liverpool. Now we're 3 clear. And Man City. And now we're 4 clear. Yes, they've got 2 in hand, but now they have to win them. And our goal difference is plus 12 on Man City. Yeah, Liverpool, I'm still worried about Liverpool, but they got the Scouse Derby. They're doing it for Kloppy. Hey, Klopp. Yeah. Hey, Klopp, they're going to go and get their bovvy. They're going to go and get their bovril at half-time, la. Hey, we're doing it for Kloppy. Yeah, good one. How's that working out? How's that working out, lads? Mohamed Salah and that. Yeah, good one. Yeah, man zoned out. Yeah. Ashley Cole's special-looking brother and that, like Gakpo. How's that working out? Yeah, it's all falling apart for Kloppy. Yeah, but don't worry. The League Cup, it means more, la. Yeah, listen, we're in the box seat right now. We're purring along. Yeah, fair play. The Wolves game was dead. Yeah, I predicted a 3-0 tonight. That could have been 13-0. Maybe 13-1. They had a couple of chances. They are trash. Yeah, and any proper Chelsea out there, yeah, that are watching this, any proper Chelsea that are watching this, you should be absolutely going nuts. Going nuts. Yeah, going crazy. But as for us, we're there, guys. With 4 to go. Yeah, and you know what? I never expected it. I don't know what happened in Dubai. Yeah. And listen, we've had the knockback and the setback from Villa, and that might cost us. Yeah, if City win all their games, they're champions. We have to rely on snookers now. The Bayern game was embarrassing. Didn't have a single shot in the second half. embarrassing. The Wolves game was not easy, but that, and it's on the replay now. I'm watching the whole game again. Yeah, that was proper football tonight. That was total football. Yeah, and we should have scored a lot more. However, yeah, Tomiyasu, by the way. Yeah, Tomiyasu should be starting against Spurs. If I see that C-Tech Bart Simpson at left back, oh my days. Although saying that, I could probably play at left back because they got Brennan Johnson and he stinks, bruv. Yeah, he stinks. They've had 15 days off, which is probably a bad thing for them because we're zoned in. We're 100. Yeah, Fabio Vieira, by the way, when he came on, I thought he'd done really well. He should have scored as well. But listen, the star of the show tonight was Martin Odegaard. I'm just watching someone, mate, this guy was on smoke tonight. Absolute smoke. Yeah, and big up Kai Havertz. Yeah, and big up for celebrating as well. Yeah, F Chelsea. Yeah, Chelsea shit, bruv. Yeah, hope you get relegated. Chelsea is shit. Yeah, Jackson, you're a disgrace, and I hope Chelsea get relegated. And on that bombshell, Kenny's next. Then after that, we're going to do a fan cam with Jez, then Matty, and then we're on to the emergency meeting. Kai Havertz, 60 million down the drain. Kai Havertz scores again. Laters. Bosh, clip that Eo Depulto and put that on your Twitter accounts.